Logic can be used to describe interactions between model elements. Logic nodes can be added to functions and structures. For now, let's focus on functions. To access the logic panel, select a function and click on the Function Logic tab located at the bottom of the screen. Logic can be divided into three categories: aliases, constraints, and assignments. Now, let's focus on constraints. To add a constraint node, click on the plus icon and enter its name. In this example, we want to create a rule stating that giants can only yield short weapons. Afterwards, wait a few seconds for the AI assistant to generate a proper expression. Of course, you can also create expressions manually. It's not a difficult task, but the syntax is beyond the scope of this tutorial. Finally, let's check whether the constraint works correctly. Click on the Generate Tests button and then click Generate. Here, we can see that the expression works as expected. The types of weapons available to giants are now limited. The next logic type, alias, is essentially syntactic sugar. It allows you to simplify the process of creating logic expressions and to reuse blocks of code. In this example, let's create an alias for females. Afterwards, we can use this alias to simplify other expressions. For example, we can define a rule stating that females can yield daggers only. Finally, let's check the results. Everything seems to work as expected. The third logic type, assignment, is used to set output parameters. However, it will be discussed in more detail in one of the following tutorials.